if you find that the nail is too loose, however you tie is still too loose. So what to do is cut a small piece of wood like this, put it there, then hammer it a bit. Hammer. Tidy up with a knife. And finally we will have a nice place for our nail to go in. Any nail can go in properly now without being loose. You see, it's supporting itself already. Find that these nails are very loose, not tight anymore, so they cannot hold this heavy door. Whatever I do, they are very loose. So the best way to deal with it, as I say, is take it away, smell piece of wood, there, hammer it in, and then tidy it with a knife and bring the nail back in the middle. Screw it in. You see, it's already very tight nail. Finish of the job. And our nail is there. Everything is secured properly. Now, clean up this remaining wood. I've done the same thing with all these screws, and the same thing with these ones. You can see wood is still there, and my door is well supported now. Heavy, very heavy door, garden door.